Previously, we have extended the processing of sleep lines. But beeps are still default beeps. No matter the numbers. It is time to extend the processing of beep lines. After the program sees B, it will consider both frequency and duration. You can get the frequency using the same regular expression you used for sleep. If there is no number, it will be a default beep. Otherwise, it means that the frequency will be custom. Before playing, we still need to consider the option that there are both frequency and duration, separated by a comma. For this purpose, you need a more complicated regular expression, which also considers the possibility of white spaces between the comma and the second number. If this expression has no match, it means there is only frequency and the program will play a beep with a custom frequency and default length. Set to 1 second. Test if it works as intended. And now we write what will happen if we have the full sound with frequency and duration set. To make it more readable, create a new string variable for duration. It will be a substring from frequency and duration string, which starts right after the comma. Then we parse the substring as an integer. In the beep method, We pass now two dynamic numbers. Unlike XAML, if you paste the melody from Mission Impossible in the text box while the program is running, it will play as if it was hard-coded in C#. You may have noticed that console beep has S before B. The reason why it still plays B is because the first if statement in the for each loop checks if the string contains letter B and only then S. Let's check if it is possible to actually write something meaningful like the beginning of the melody from Star Wars. We will utilize beeps with low frequency and moderate length as well as short pauses. Just a few sounds will be enough for testing. Before we finish this part, let's make the button more attractive. First of all, play will be a tooltip. Secondly, we need a user-friendly symbol. Of course, we could use an image, but it's not something sophisticated. So why should you use external resources for it? Use text symbols instead. For the play button, you can imitate it using 3 characters. If you had followed, you would have noticed that when you run the program, you will see that the button's text actually looks worse than in the designer. And here you should use Unicode, which can help you with such an easy case, since it contains a right arrow symbol. Just open Microsoft Word and click Symbols to open a table containing all of them, including their code. And that code is what you need to write here. But if you try to launch the program, you will get an error. That's because Visual Studio expects semicolon at the end. Now run the program and you will see a solid black triangle, which can be understood as a play button.